Okay, question 1 is about division of the complex number. The procedure for doing the division is always the same. You multiply this complex number by the conjugate of the denominator expression. This is the conjugate. The most important characteristic of the conjugate is this: if this sign is negative, this is opposite, positive. Okay, and in order to doesn't affect my original problem, I multiply and divide by the same number. Okay. Let's do the multiplication. The multiplication of two conjugate number times 5 plus 2i is always, so the shortcut to do fast is multiply only real part and imaginary part. 5 times 5 is 25, always plus. 2 times 2 is 4. The answer is 29. Okay, this is a shortcut. Okay, a student who don't remember the shortcut, okay, we can do that using regular FOIL. But you see what happened. Look, when you multiply 5 times 5, it's 25. When you multiply 5 times 2i is 10i. When you multiply this times this, it's minus 10i. And when you multiply this and this, it's minus 4i squared. Always happen, okay, this and this part cancels out. There are no imaginary part. And so far we have 25 plus, why plus? Because I squared is equal negative 1, this is plus 4, this is 29. Okay, this is a long way and this is a short way. It always happen, this was the intention, multiplication by the conjugate, because my final answer is always real, no I anymore. Okay, the top part, no, the top part is a regular FOIL. It's 20 is 8i is 45i and finally is 18i squared. I square one more time is equal to negative 1. So far we have 20 plus 1. We can combine if you want this part. It's a 53i. And this is negative 18 over 29. And finally we combine the real part. 20 minus 18 is 2. Right, so far we have 2 plus 53i over 29. Okay, I'm going to express the final answer more elegant is separate real part 2 over 29 plus the imaginary part, 53 over 29i. And this is the final answer, que corresponde en the handout on the option B. Okay, let's solve the same question but using the calculator. Okay, on the calculator, and you put in the calculator open parentheses, 4 plus 9 I is here in this key in the decimal, but you press second, close the parentheses, division, open the parentheses, 5 minus 2 I, close the parentheses, press enter, and the answer is of first and decimal, and you change to the fraction. You press math, first option is fraction, enter twice, enter, enter, and the answer is 2 over 29 plus 53 over 29I. The answer, look at the calculator, is 2 over 29 plus 53 over 29I. Okay, question 2 is square complex number. For doing that, the easy way is using quick foil. This is the formula for the quick foil. Let me refresh your memory. When you have a binomial a plus b or minus, doesn't matter, I squared, you expand using this formula. The formula say square reverse is a plus or minus, depending on the sign that we have here in the middle. 2 times multiplication both a and b plus square the second. So we apply in this case, the first in this example is 9 square plus, because it's plus here in between. 2 times 9 is a and b is 7i plus 7i squared, que is the second. So this is this, b squared, 2ab is 2ab, and this is 9 squared, que is the first is 8 squared. So this is 81. This is multiplication, this number is 2 times 9, 18, times 7 is 126i, and 7 squared, 49, 49i squared. One more time, we have here I squared is equal -1. So far we have 81 plus 126i minus 49. And you combine 81 minus 49 is 32. 32 plus 126i is the final answer, que corresponde in the handout in the option B. Okay, let's see the same idea using the calculator. In the calculator, we have parentheses 9 plus 7i square. And this is the answer, directly. 32 plus 126i. That's it.